Hey Christian, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO, and today I spoke with Alicia, who thought you might be interested in this video I'm about to show you. So today I'm just going to go over a few tips that you guys can apply right away to get more of that visibility and those organic leads. So as you can see, we're on your website. You guys have a nice design website. Looks like you have separate pages for every single one of your services, which is perfect. You got some content. A little bit more content, but I'm seeing a lack of local keywords going on here. Reviews are always good. Okay. Um, can't tell if each of your service areas have their own page or not. If these are the only 3 towns you service, then yeah, it looks like you might. Um, you want to make sure that every town that has any search volume has its own page so that you can be found in each of those communities for the services that you offer. So Google does not rank your website based on appearance. It's all based on content. Content is key. Google wants a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words on your homepage, which is focused on those local buyer intent keywords. Those are going to be the keywords that people are actively searching for the services that you offer. They may not know the name of your company, but they know the services that they need, and that's going to be the main focus. So your content needs to be built around those local Sacramento buyer intent keywords. And you need 150 words for every keyword you're trying to target. Google has crawlers that go and index every single one of these pages, pulling your content and keywords to be able to rank you for those keywords and put them in front of your customers. So that's going to be really important because 70% of your organic leads comes from your website. So it is very important that it is optimized and you have the right content and keyword strategy. Coit is going to be one of your top competitors in Sacramento service area for mold. It is a national brand, but we are only looking at the Sacramento area services. They have the separate pages for each individual service. You can see they are going after the relative keywords that are location based. They have content. Um, they could definitely use more content on that page and go after more keywords, but this page is doing pretty well. In order to beat your competitors, you have to have more content than your top competitors in each of your service areas for each of your pages. Um, this is Ahrefs. It helps us to analyze how your website is performing. And as you can see, your domain rating is at 12 out of 100. Sorry about that background noise. It suddenly got really loud. So you have a score of a 12 out of 100, which is 100% based on your referring domains and backlinks. You got over 5,000 backlinks and a score of a 12. So what this says is that a lot of these backlinks are of poor quality. They're spammy, could be no follows, or completely unrelated to your industry. So those are actually hurting your score, and some of those are going to need to be disavowed, so they are not diluting you. It also looks like majority of your backlinks are being pushed to your homepage, which is okay for the homepage, but it actually isn't going to help your service pages or service area pages so that you can rank and be found in those areas. Um, you're currently indexed for over 300 keywords, but you're only getting 200 people on average to your website per month out of the thousands in potential traffic. Um, if we look at Coit, we're not concerned with their domain because we're only competing up against Sacramento. So their Sacramento section has a rating of 11. Um, and they're actually getting that power from the rest of their domain because they don't have any referring domains or backlinks for this page. They're only being indexed for 7 keywords. Um, but they're number 1 for those keywords. And so they're getting 39 traffic for that one page. So yes, you are getting more traffic through your website as a whole, but they are actually outranking you because they are number 1 for those relative keywords. You're doing well on keywords for mostly for branding here. And then as you get more into those buyer intent keywords, you're getting down to the second, third, or later pages. So you just need to dial in that content and keyword strategy and work on your backlinks. Out of your backlinks, 2,700 of them are do follows, which is great, but a lot of these are spammy, unrelated, so they're actually hurting your rankings. Not all backlinks are created equal, so you need to make sure they're high quality. Google likes, well, what a backlink is when one website links to your website and then drives traffic to your website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest, but it has to be relevant. It has to be relevant to the services that you're offering. Not all backlinks work the same for everybody. So you do need to make sure that you're using relevant backlinks that are of high authority so that they give you more authority and help you to rank. You need to make sure they are do follows so that they share that power. And you also need to make sure that these backlinks are closely tied to your keywords so that you can rank for those and be found for your services. And then the last thing I want to talk to you about is this Google Maps. Your goal should be to be in this top 3 of this section for all of your service areas and major keywords because 30% of people come directly here and won't go any further. So when you're not in the top 3, you're sending all of those leads to your competitors. To be in the top 3, the biggest factor is citations, which is the name of your business, address, phone number, website, and listing those in a bunch of places like Facebook, Yelp, Yellow Pages, etc. And you need a lot more of those than your top competitors. And when you follow all of these tips that I provided you today, your website can be number 1 across Google for all of your relative keywords and service area keywords. We hope that you found this video informative and helpful, and we would love to get your feedback on it. And then if you do need help with any of these services, go ahead and reach out and give us a call at the number on your screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.